So the Indian Railways, meanwhile, have resumed its passenger train services already after close to 2 months of a halt due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The first 2 trains have arrived in the national capital, Delhi, one from Ahmedabad from Gujarat and another from Patna in Bihar. A special train carrying 545 passengers left from Bhubaneswar for Delhi. There was also a lot of crowd outside New Delhi railway station. Speaking to India Today, the passengers said all social distancing norms were followed throughout their journey from the beginning to the end. But many have also complained of difficulties to find transport once they alight at the station to then head back to their home destination. Today, 9 other trains are scheduled to depart, 8 originating from Delhi. The only train that will be leaving for Delhi has left already from Bhubaneswar. The special trains from national capital Delhi will connect 15 cities from 12th May to 20th May. 82,000 people have already received online confirmed tickets.
दिल्ली बॉर्डर जाने के लिए परेशान है और बहुत प्रॉब्लम हमें क्रिएट हो रही है इस समय। हम करेंगे क्या, फैमिली हमारे साथ में बच्चे हैं, अगर हमें जाना है तो कैसे जाएंगे? और हमें कोई फैसिलिटी दिख भी नहीं रही, यहाँ पर कोई कैब भी नहीं दिख रही, ना कोई टैक्सी दिख रही। अब जाएं किसके पास जाएं? अब सोशल डिस्टेंस भी मेंटेन करके रखना है और सब चीज़ फॉलो भी करना है। गवर्नमेंट ने अच्छा किया, ट्रेन चलाई, हम यहाँ पहुँचे, दैट्स गुड, अच्छा है, अच्छा पॉजिटिव वो लेके आए। लेकिन यहाँ से घर पहुँचने के लिए क्या फैसिलिटी है, वो उसके लिए हम वरी हैं।
Initially we were staying in Ahmedabad since we are having a job there, but later on where we were staying, that PG was settled as a quarantine center, so we were facing difficulties since last week, and there were no food available, no internet facility available. So since we are an IT guy, so work from home is very crucial for us. And that's why we are migrating here. Since my sister is living there, so I thought of coming here.
प्रॉपर चेकिंग हो रही है, प्रॉपर सैनिटाइजिंग हो रही है एंड जितने भी पैसेंजर्स आ रहे हैं सबके रिकॉर्ड्स प्रॉपर रखे जा रहे हैं। ऑल एड्रेस के सारी चीज़ें, मोबाइल नंबर्स, एड्रेस, कहाँ से आ रहे हो, कहाँ जा रहे हो, सारी चीज़ें, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग डिटेल्स जब हम स्टेशन पे जहाँ पे हम बोर्ड कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर भी डिटेल ली जा रही है एंड प्रॉपर स्कैनिंग, एंट्री एंड आउट सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं।
After 50 days of the lockdown, the first train has arrived from Ahmedabad in Delhi today, and as you can see in the pictures, there are definitely so many people now waiting to go to the native place, but are confused about the fact that how are they supposed to go. I'm going to talk to a few of the people. कैसे आए रेलवे स्टेशन पे?
पैदल
चल के आए?
हाँ, धूप में चल के आना 35-40 किलोमीटर, 37 किलोमीटर।
यहाँ से आगरा के लिए क्या व्यवस्था है, क्योंकि अभी तक बसेस में काफ़ी कंफ्यूजन है, बसेस बहुत कम है, आप कब तक इंतजार करेंगे?
कुछ दिल्ली सरकार कुछ करती है सॉल्यूशन तो ठीक है, नहीं तो अपने हाईवे पैदल जाने की।
फिर से चल के जाएंगे?
क्या करें, मजबूर है, बच्ची है छोटी, भूख में परेशान है बंदे, तो बच्चे क्या करें?
Such is the plight of people who have travelled from different states in Delhi this morning, as there is no facility for them to travel to some other state, as they want to visit to their native place, but there is no facility for them to visit the place accordingly. So people are standing over since morning are really confused and worried about the fact that how are they supposed to move forward. With camera person Pawan Kumar, it's Divanshu for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.